In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve AI accessibility in Firefox by turning on a few helpful AI features that can make browsing, reading, and organizing tabs a lot easier. If you use Firefox regularly, this is a simple way to unlock smarter tools right inside your browser. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox and go to the top right corner of the browser window. Click the menu icon to open the main Firefox menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you can control all of Firefox's main preferences and feature options. Once the Settings page opens, look for AI Controls and click on it. This section is where Firefox keeps its AI-related accessibility and assistance features. Now scroll down until you find the On-Device AI section. These options are especially useful because they help Firefox perform smart actions directly on your device. The first feature you can enable is Translations. To turn this on, click the drop-down next to it and choose Available. This tells Firefox that translations can be used when needed, which is great if you browse pages in different languages and want a faster reading experience. Next, find Image Alt Text in Firefox PDF Viewer. This feature helps improve accessibility by generating helpful alt text for images inside PDF files. To enable it, click the drop-down next to the option and select Available. This can make PDFs more useful for users who rely on image descriptions or accessibility support. After that, look for Tab Group Suggestions. This is a really helpful feature if you tend to keep lots of tabs open at once. It can suggest ways to organize your tabs into groups so your browsing stays cleaner and easier to manage. Click the drop-down next to Tab Group Suggestions and choose Enable. Then scroll a little further until you see Key Points in Link Previews. This feature gives you a quick summary of what a link is about before you open it, which can save time and help you decide whether a page is worth visiting. To activate it, click the drop-down and select Enable. Once you've turned on all the features you want, you can simply close the Settings tab. Firefox will now use these on-device AI tools to improve your browsing experience, support accessibility, and make everyday tasks feel a lot smoother. So just to recap, open the menu, go to Settings, click AI Controls, scroll to On-Device AI, and then enable Translations, Image Alt Text in the Firefox PDF Viewer, Tab Group Suggestions, and Key Points in Link Previews. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.